What up, gang? We back. Today we got the custom 2004 Crown Victoria ball joint fix. And I'm back at the shop, guys, as y'all can see. I showed y'all the name of the shop in my last video. I'm back with my boy Daniel. Yo, he tore this thing apart fast, guys. It literally takes me about 3 to 4 hours just to get what he done in 10 to 15 minutes. So he done taken my upper control arm out. Y'all can see. He already done knocked the ball joint out, the old ball joint. Sorry for the copyright music, but it's all good. You know, I gotta let my boy listen to what he wanna listen to. So he's taking this upper control arm right here out, guys, and my ball joints is what's bad. He already knocked out one. I don't know what he did with it, but as soon as I find it, I'll definitely show y'all in the video. But yeah, guys, we're gonna see if this fixes the problem that I'm having in my steering, with the shaking, the vibration, feel like the wheel about to fall off the car, and we're gonna see if that fixes the problem, man. Hopefully it does, and I believe it will, because if y'all can see how this ball joint right here is sitting, let me get out his way. It seems like it's sitting tilted backwards like this when it's supposed to be straight up and down. And y'all can pretty much see how it's sitting, and that's definitely not normal. So he get me right, y'all, and take y'all step by step through the process and show y'all exactly what it takes to get this done. The only thing that I bought was 2 brand new ball joints, factory ball joints for a 2004 Crown Victoria. I bought 2 factory ball joints. And that's exactly what he about to put in these arms right now. So any of you guys that got a lifter brand lift kit with those same arms, you can just use the factory ball joints that go back in the car, the press in, the press out ball joint. So this is the workstation. Y'all can see exactly what's going on. It's a good thing, guys. Like I really like this shop because they let you see what's going on. If you got any questions, any concerns, they let you be in tune with what's going on in every process. So that's definitely a good thing. And like I said, we got it torn down right here. Everything can move. Y'all can see my 5-inch cup. That's part of the front suspension, is a 5-inch cup. That's part of my lift. Also with the upper control arm, it's part of the lift also. And if y'all want to go and check out my other videos about how to put a sway bar, your factory sway bar back on your Crown Vic, and thinking it won't go back in, or if it's hard to go back up and you feel like it's pulling your car down, the only thing I got is a custom made 2-inch block right here, and as y'all can see, that's my sway bar. I also bought that from Lifter brand. So it's just a 2-inch block, you know, nothing special. They customized it for me. I told them what I wanted. It lines up with my bolt holes. I didn't have to drill anything or prefab anything. The only thing I had to do was just put the blocks up there, put the hardware in the inside, as y'all can see right there, and boom. It lifted my car up so my car isn't pulled down by the sway bar, and make sure that everything is, you know, nice and tight when I'm steering. If you don't have a sway bar, your steering's gonna be all over the place because your car's gonna want to do what it want to do. So I'm glad that I'm able to get everything taken care of today, guys. And like I said, I'll show y'all step by step of what he do. And yeah, y'all sit tight, man. Hang with me and check out the links in the description below. I'll show you guys where I bought my headlights, my tail lights. I'm also about to put a link up about hood cowls that y'all can buy. What else? There's a few more things up there, guys, that I do have for my Crown Vic that you can click on the links in the description, and you can go and search the same stuff that I bought. Now, and every link that I have below is the cheapest price that I've seen for these headlights and for the aftermarket tail lights that I'm gonna show you guys, and a few more other things on there. It's the cheapest that I've seen it anywhere else. So you guys check out the links below. and make your purchases, man, if you guys want some aftermarket stuff and make your Crown Vic look good, baby. That's what it's all about. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all, I'll be right back. All right, guys, this here is the old ball joint that came out. See if I can set the camera up for you. Look at this. Shit, y'all can see that. It's not supposed to do that, y'all. Look at that. These are the old ones that came out. So much play in it. So yeah, he's installing the new ball joint. We also fixed the camera on it. And I told you guys that it is adjustable. So I'm gonna go through a time lapse and you guys can sit and watch. So that's just one side done here. Hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse, and he's working on the other side. Same thing with the other side, except for I'm not missing a stud. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the car for a drive once we get this side over here done. I don't want to put y'all through dealing with both sides. Like I said, if you get one side done, you know what it takes to do both sides. But yeah, guys, that's the complete lift kit being torn down, another ball joint put in, spacers being taken out, stud being taken out, and yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all along for a drive once everything is done, and we're gonna go from there. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Another thing I wanted to show you guys on these 28s, this is how far I got mine turned out. If you spin it all the way in, the wheel tends to want to sit inside the car. Like the top of the wheel tends to want to sit inside that way. Turn it out too far, the top part is kicked out. So this right here looks like it's about straight up and down now, guys. You don't even have the car sitting down all the way, and it looks like it's already sitting straight up and down. So that's how much I got mine turned out on this Crown Vic. If you guys get a similar lift kit and y'all got that adjustable upper control on, y'all might want to spin it out about that much. If you want to, you can pause the video, but yeah, there you go again. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna show you guys, or talk to you guys about, is my ride back home. Let y'all know if that solved the problem, or you know, if we gotta start from square one again. But this should solve the problem with everything that he's doing. So yeah, y'all sit tight, guys. I appreciate it. Hey guys, everything turned out very, very, very well with the Crown Vic. He got it aligned. He did it the old school way. Zero camber, baby, zero. Both ties straight. Steering wheel straight. Got them spacers up out of there so the wheel ain't gapped out as much. Yeah, y'all, I'm highly pleased with it, man. It's called Auto Springs Company, and they got me right for a little bit of nothing, man. Like $200 and some, man. He changed all that stuff for like $200 and some, and plus did an alignment right behind it. It was about 3 or 4 hours worth of labor, which ain't bad for $200 and some. I supplied my own parts and everything. So if you guys are ever in the area, man, and you guys got big rims on your cars, I advise you to go on down there to them, because they the only ones around that'll touch your stuff, man, and that can get you right. So I done driven it about 20 some miles to get back home, and everything's good, man. Steering wheel straight, no shaking, no vibration, no nothing. Everything is good. So yeah, I got a unboxing video coming tomorrow. I want you guys to check that out. Got some aftermarket tail lights, so I want you guys to check that video out, man. And it's gonna be a good one, yo. It's gonna be a banger. So I'm excited about it. Appreciate y'all rocking with me today, man. Somebody out here burning wheels, man. Yeah, I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. Hopefully y'all stay tuned for more, man. Hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell notification for future uploads. Like, smash that like button. And send me y'all comments, man. Like I said, merch and the links for everything that I got on my Crown Vic is in the description below. So you guys check that out, man. Make y'all orders, and you know what I'm saying, you guys can have y'all stuff customized, you know, looking customized. So I appreciate y'all rocking with me. 2-Time Moto TV out, and until tomorrow, guys, peace.